Om Sai Ram, Shree Sai Gyaneswari, Chapter 3, Knowledge of the Absolute, Part 4. Listening to Nana's queries and doubts, Baba said, "Oh Nana, I will clear your doubts just now. Concentrate on what I say and listen to me very carefully. If we dissolve different colors in water like red, blue, green, black, etc., and keep each of them in individual utensils, then all will look different. Red will look red, blue will look blue, green will look green, and so on. But the water is the same in all of them. Whichever color we mix in water, the water changes to that color. Although the water has no color, just due to different colors, it looks different. If we remove the color, then the water will return back to its colorless form. Similarly, when the soul enters the body, it takes the look and shape of that body, and each body acts and experiences differently, since the body is the container of happiness and sorrows. Therefore, when the soul is mixed with the body, the soul also experiences happiness and sorrows in various different ways of the body it inhabits. Oh Nana, in this way, every person experiences happiness and sorrow based on the body they bear. But the soul inside every living being is same. There is no difference between all the souls. The soul is pure and possesses all the characteristics of God. But due to mixing with the body, it gets contaminated and has different experiences. The soul has to bear the body according to the respective destiny. It is mandatory for all the souls. So, all living beings have to undergo the happiness and sufferings of the body. Accordingly, they look different and behave differently from one another. Even though the soul is pure and eternal and is a part of pure consciousness, due to the body and the effects of karma, it gets affected and becomes impure and imperfect. You must know and fully understand that the soul is pure and eternal and part of a pure consciousness. Oh Nana, now I will explain to you what is true and what is untrue, so that you recognize what is untrue and false, and so that you are able to eliminate the lust of untrue and false things in this materialistic world. Consciousness soul has three important characteristics, and all soul possess these three characteristics: prathamik, spiritual; vaibhaharik, practical; pratibhasik, self-centered. These characteristics are like the three stages of human body: old age, youth, and childhood. The body goes through all these three stages of life. Similarly, the soul also has these three characteristics. O son Narayana, understand this very carefully. The human soul, which has the true qualities of pure consciousness, is like Sant. They follow the rules of Shastras and spiritual guidelines very carefully. This type of soul is Prathamik soul, commonly known as Sattvic soul. The soul which only has knowledge of worldly things and accept and reject things according to practical requirements is Vyavaharik soul, generally known as Rajasic soul. The soul which considers untrue as true, whose heart is not inclined to spiritualism or God, which cannot visualize the truth, and which is only interested and attached with materialistic things, is Pratibhasik soul, known as Tamasic soul. O Nana, the soul which has characteristics of Pratibhasik, Tamasic, is ignorant and lacks knowledge. The soul which has characteristics of Vaibhaharik, Rajasic, is a gentle soul. The soul which possesses characteristics of Prathamik is a pure soul. Everyone has the same soul, but due to the accumulated characteristics of the soul, we look at them differently. Om Sai Ram.